Here we are again. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you not seen me before, my name is Langers and I am the Scruffy Trader. Now it's very early, I'm very knackered. This is kind of taking its toll on me a little bit, this getting up really early. Well, I'm saying it's taking its toll. I normally start around 9 o'clock in the morning when I'm day trading. I do get up early-ish, but not 5:45 early-ish. The extra hour's a little bit, well, catches up with you after a while, but getting used to it. I promised I'd finish it, so here we go. And who knows, might carry it on, you know, kind of change my lifestyle a little bit. You know, stop drinking, stop messing around, stop being a child. No, I don't think that's going to happen. Let's get on with what we're doing, because this is a forward test of a system rather than a back test. It's very easy to back test something and say this is perfect, and there's a load of gobshites out there that'll tell you that they've done this for years and that their system's brilliant. Still don't trade for a living though, but they know everything, so obviously they're right. And well, let them get on with it, eh? So let me flick the screens on, we'll see where we are, and we'll see how trading is in the real world. And if that's something that interests you, please subscribe to the channel, do comment and like. It genuinely helps and motivates me to do more. It's nothing for you, but it means a lot to me. So let's flick the screens over and have a little look. So as we can see, we did last month, or at least we will do when the graph comes up, and we ended it very well. It was 100% strike rate. Might add an extra column into this actually, just so you can see what the hit rate of the month was. But I'm very pleased with the growth. You know, it was pretty much straight up. Why was it straight up? We never lost a trade, not one. Okay, and the idea of this is being patient, and you're looking for, well, you're looking for 10 pips minimum a morning, but ideally from one trade. Yeah, if you have to split it, then you have to split it. All right, but it's 10 pips compounded, and I'm going to do this for about 50 trades over the course of the month, or the month and yesterday rather. We have increased by 59%. There's not a bank in the land will give you that return on your money, not one. And the average pip count is 22. So for all you're aiming for 10, anything you get above that is much better. All right, so we're very, very happy with what's going on. Now it is the DAX predominantly what we are looking at. Now this morning, we are going to the short side. You know, I have mapped this out already, and we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. So it'll be coming on to the spike shortly. What I'm wanting it to do is come back on itself to go down. That's the general idea. Okay. Let's see. So I'll come back to you when I'm done, and we'll have a little chat. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to kill this off. Why? Because it's coming up to 8 o'clock in the morning, and most of us in this sort of scenario will be going to work. And the idea of this morning star is to do your trades and go to the market before work. So I don't like leaving anything to chance. So if I'm not here, I don't want to leave open orders. Not when I'm doing short-term trading. If I'm swing trading, I'm expecting it to run for days, but when I'm short-term, and I'm expecting it for minutes to an hour, I want to manage it. Okay. So, what have we done? I haven't done a lot today, but what we have done, we still pretty low. Didn't quite, made a couple of schoolboy errors, if you like, but they're not schoolboy errors really. It's just trying to protect the account, because everything I do is account protection at this moment in time. Now, you'll see that it's 50p. It's because I'm now able to split trades and build things up. I like to put my toe in the water and then build a position up. And now I'm able to split trades. I can do that. So I can put an order in, let it run, see how it goes, kill it, put another order in, but have one in the wings that if something goes wrong, I can still work the charts because I have enough margin to do it. It's also allowing me to start reducing my risk. So again, the hardest part of trading is the beginning, because you've got to build it and you need something to build on. You know, a little bit like marriage, isn't it? Got to build a foundation.
All right.
All right. Eh?
It is.
Well, apparently you do anyway. Anyway. But like I say, this is a forward test and it is working. We are currently 20 positions, 100%, following simple processes. And those simple processes are building up this pot quite nicely. As you can see, it is at 60%. So even today, even though I never technically hit the 10 pips, so I can't move that tomorrow. It's kind of one of my little rules. I don't increase it unless I've hit 10 pips, or I can see a 10 pip in there. And again, that stops you sort of overexposing the account, things like that. And it builds up. So we'll be doing it again tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last morning star this week, taking Friday off, because we having a weekend away. Because I don't know if you saw, when we built this last year, or I did one last year, we were supposed to sort of go overseas for our holiday. That didn't really happen, so we had a few days in a lodge, and now we're having another few days with the money that was left from it. So these little challenges do give you a treat, and those treats make it worthwhile, because ultimately you've got to enjoy your fruits of your labor. And I love the charts, I genuinely do, but it is just a means to an end, because I love my life more, and I do have a life, and the chart is what gives it to me. So if you want to continue the journey, do subscribe, drop your comments, your likes, all of that sort of thing. I genuinely respond to everybody who contacts me. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all on the next one.